Toilet paper is dyed white with chlorine and chlorine dioxide, which can cause any number of diseases. Numerous studies have also shown that recycled paper products, including toilet paper, contain the chemical bisphenol A, or BPA, which can be absorbed through your skin transdermally. BPA is estrogenic. It mimics the human hormone estrogen and plays a role in male and female infertility, early onset of puberty, breast and prostate tumors, and polycystic ovary syndrome. Just think of using toilet paper like taking an estrogen supplement every time you wipe. I know that the culture we live in tells us that estrogen is a female hormone, but it has little to nothing to do with femininity and everything to do with stress, degeneration, and disease in the body. To put it into perspective, the famous Women's Health Initiative study in the early 1990s tested the effects of supplemental estrogen on women. But the study was forced to stop early because participants began developing cardiovascular disease, stroke, dementia, and cancer.
Hey, it's Mark. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. And definitely hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos when they come out. Also, be sure to pick up my 3 free ebooks, one on chemotherapy, the other on sodium bicarbonate for cancer and other diseases, and a red light therapy dose guide by clicking the link in the description below. Last but not least, check out one more video on my channel right here, and I will see you in the next one.